In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test workflows in Go High Level. This will be a straightforward guide that'll help ensure you're confident in verifying your automations before they go live. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Any browser will do the trick, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or something else entirely. In the search bar, type Go High Level and hit Enter. The site should pop up right there at the top of your search results. Click on the link and you'll be directed to the Go High Level homepage. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to log in. If you have saved your login details, great. Otherwise, enter your credentials and sign in. Keep your password handy in a secure place, as you don't want the hassle of resetting it every time you need to gain access. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your command center, where all your Go High Level magic happens. Look around until you find the section labeled Workflows. Click on it, and you'll enter the area where all of your automated processes live and breathe. Now that you're in the right place, let's put your workflow to the test. In the top right corner of the Workflow Builder, you'll see a button that's labeled Test. Give it a click. This feature is brilliant as it helps you identify any tweaks needed before launching the workflow live. Upon clicking Test, a prompt will appear. This prompt is asking you to select a contact from your account. Choose one that you'd like to run the workflow test with. It acts as a controlled simulation that'll only affect the chosen contact, giving you peace of mind that no unintended emails or notifications are sent out willy-nilly. You've selected your contact, and what you need to do now is to start the test. You can do this by clicking the Run Test button. This action sets the wheels in motion for the workflow to be run as planned, bypassing the initial trigger. You'll be able to see how each action unfolds in sequence. As the test runs, keep an eye on the execution logs. These logs provide a real-time report of what's happening. They document each completed step, allowing you to verify that everything functions just as you intended it to. In the event something doesn't go as planned, don't panic. If the test comes back with errors or surprises you with unexpected results, it's typically due to a hiccup in either the triggers or the actions. Go back, review your setup, check for any incomplete settings or overlooked configurations, and correct them. Testing your workflows ensures that they run smoothly before you let them loose in the wild. It's a crucial step in maintaining reliable and efficient automations in Go High Level. So give your workflows the attention they deserve, keep testing, and you'll be sure to maintain the harmony of your automated systems. Happy testing!